Hey guys, it's Charisse and I am back with another video for you guys. About a year ago I made a video on the Titanic and I got a couple of requests that if I ever find something else that's similar to that I'm interested in, to please make a video of it. So that's what I did. I did find something that I was interested in and I did make a video of it for you guys, and I hope you're equally as interested in it as I was. So without any further ado, sit back. I hope you enjoy the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you'll be notified of any new uploads that I send your way, and I will definitely see you in the next one. So take care for now, and peace. Although children had been servants and apprentices throughout most of human history, child labor reached new extremes during the Industrial Revolution. Children often worked long hours in dangerous factory conditions for very little money. Children were useful as laborers because their size allowed them to move in small spaces in factories or mines where adults couldn't fit. Children were paid less than adults. Children laborers often worked to help their families, but were forced to forego an education. Boys customarily began their apprenticeship in a trade between ages 10 and 14. Ultimately, young women and adult immigrants replaced these children in the textile industry, but child labor continued in other businesses. They could be paid lower wages, were more tractable, and easily managed than adults. The Great Depression changed political attitudes in the United States significantly, and child labor reform benefited. Almost all of the codes developed under the National Industrial Recovery Act served to reduce child labor. Clearly, the United States has not yet eliminated all the abuses and violations, but it has met the objective of the child labor reformers and determined by law and general practice that children shall not be full-time workers.